Hello and welcome. I'm Maggie from Diverse Dishes and Lifestyle. So today I'm making this video to thank my subscribers primarily, but I also have a second reason why I'm making the video. Yeah, so I have achieved 500 subscribers within 3 months, which I think is quite a good milestone. And so I'm making this video to thank my subscribers because they believed in me, you know, regardless of the fact that the channel was so small. But yeah, I hope you love the recipes that you see on this channel. And also, if you're new here and you maybe haven't taken a look at my recipes yet, I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna be taking you through the channel just to show you some of my recipes and also to share a few tips that I think might be helpful to whoever needs them. So this is a cooking channel, and from what I've heard many people say, it's not as easy to hit 500 subscribers within the first 3 months, or that quickly, whichever time frame. And the fact that I was able to achieve that, I think, is something worth celebrating, although it might seem really small to other people. But having started from zero and without any popularity, I think it's a good thing that I have achieved those 500 subscribers. So I posted my first video on April 30th of this year, and then on July 30th I had exactly 500 subscribers. And I think right now I have 542, so thank you to the additional 42 subscribers as well. Now I'm going to be showing you through the channel again. It's called Diverse Dishes and Lifestyle, and just to show you through all the videos that I've been posting. Let me start with the videos right here. So I do have a total of 177 videos, but most of those are shorts, which I'll also show you in a moment. Yeah, so this is a walkthrough on my channel just to show you some of my thumbnails. I So as I was working on all these videos, of course I read and listened to people online saying you have to make catchy thumbnails that would attract viewers. And so I don't know what you think about my thumbnails, but this is the best I could do. Of course, I'm still learning, and trying to make them better every day. So this was the very first video that I posted 3 months ago, and it has 107 views. So one thing I've observed on my channel is that the older videos have less views and the newer ones are actually doing much better. So I guess that's probably because I am learning as I shoot more videos, and so I'm making things better, and so they're also getting more views. Now I will also show you some of my most popular videos. So right here. Now, I'm from Kenya and I make East African dishes a lot, but I also do make American or global dishes, as you may notice. So my mandazi recipe and chapati recipe happen to be the leading ones. Um, and then I have quinoa salad here. I have this soft crepes. So they're all in the thousands. And if you see, so this mandazi one is the only oldest video, and the other ones are like 11 days ago, 1 month ago, and 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I think those have done really well. I think they are the ones that, pushed me towards these 500 subscribers. Now, I also do have this, I would say, is a global dish. So has 2K views. This is samosa, but with tortillas, which we don't use in East Africa. So this video is mostly being viewed by Americans, and I think people who use tortillas. So this has 2.1K, 1.1K. Again, this is a global dish, baked chicken also. And yeah, so from there, then I go into the hundreds, and that's how popular my videos are. Now, another thing that I wanted to share with you is that I shoot all of my recipes up close. I don't really put my face in the video, and that's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all to put your face in the video, but this is just the format that I like. So if you click on each of my videos, I get straight to the recipe, just because I think sometimes this format is good. Sometimes, someone is hungry and they want to cook, and so they don't really care about watching you. They want to see the recipe. So I just give you exactly what you come looking for. So yeah, all of my videos are shot up close. I just focus on the pan or focus on the cutting board on all of my videos. So if you haven't checked out my videos yet, go ahead and check them out. Um, and I believe you will love them. I have all sorts of recipes from breakfast to lunch to dinner to snacks. Not a lot of snacks, but I'm getting there as well. Also, I have some toddler or kid friendly recipes, baby food. Oh, I even have Kenyan tea here. But yeah, I do have some baby recipes like, how to make applesauce and how to make oatmeal mixed with yogurt, mixed with applesauce for babies like 2 year olds and below. Okay, so that's it for an overview of my channel. So now moving on to shorts. I think this is also a tip that I want to share. So I do have I was about to say a ton of shorts, but it's not really a ton. But I do make shorts from all of my videos. After I post a video, I make a short out of it and just click the remix thing and post a short. I go for the sections of the video that I think are cute, and those are the ones I focus the shorts on. And I can make 2 or 3 shorts from one video. I just go on to different sections. So these shorts are basically from the videos that I posted. So I started my YouTube channel. I started posting shorts a little later than I posted actual videos. So then I just went on to all my videos and posted shorts. And so I kind of ended up with lots of shorts within a short time. And now taking a look at my popular shorts, um, this samosa short here has 1.9k views. A lot of my shorts are in the 400s, but I do have a few that go all the way to mm, over 1,000 views. Mm, as you can see, we have also a few under 100, but I would say most of them are between 4 and 500 views. My most popular short was actually the second short I ever posted, and that was on it's a breakfast thing. Man, these are many shorts, but yeah, this is my most popular short. 9.2k views. It's a one potato, one egg for breakfast. I was really excited, and it was only the second one I posted, so it went it did well. And I was thinking, oh, so shorts do this well. Well, not really. All the others that I posted later stuck in the 400s, but there's another one here with 1.1k views. Yeah, so but they really do help bringing in subscribers. So I've had a lot of subscribers from the shorts. Of course, you also gather watch time from shorts, but it's very insignificant because you need millions of views for you to be able to monetize shorts if you wanted to. But it's not my goal really to monetize shorts, but I do post them because they get your videos more attention, or your channel for that matter. Okay, now that's it for my shorts. So I also want to show you just a little bit of the growth on analytics. So I will head there. Mhm. So looking at my channel dashboard, I do have 543 subscribers now. Thank you to the 543rd person. Yeah, so I want to show you a few things here. The first one, this is a summary for the last 28 days. I got 34k views, and my watch time has been 726 um, hours in the last 28 days, which is massive because when I started this channel, I would get like 4 hours a day, maybe 5 hours a day. But now it's gone to sometimes I get 50 hours a day. Let me just show you here on my analytics. So again, this is last 28 days. This is the stats that I just showed you. But if I go here and show you the lifetime, See, it's mostly flat. I started on April, again, I launched the channel on April 15th, but I posted the first video on April 30th, and then it was just flat up to June 8th. That's when I posted the first short, and it really skyrocketed. And then from there, everything kind of took off because I started posting shorts alongside videos. Yeah, and so that's what led to this growth. So now, I also think that my East African recipes like chapati, mandazi, samosa, those recipes are really doing well on YouTube. I don't know if it's because they don't have much competition or people just love East African food. It's good. But yeah, I don't know. But those videos are doing much better, so they are getting more watch hours. Um, than my other recipes, which I'd say maybe they are common knowledge. Everybody makes them. So I guess one another thing I could say as a tip. So let me see. Did I share 3 tips from the time I started? Like, watching your thumbnails, making sure they are catchy, as well as the titles, making sure they look good. And then oh man, I forget all the tips I wanted to share because I did not prepare for this video well. But I wanted to share another tip and say that if you want to post your videos, don't really worry about this video is not good enough or this topic is not good enough. You never know what's gonna be loved when you post it. Sometimes I post a recipe and I'm like, oh, this recipe is so good, people are going to love it, and then it does not get views. And that's a bit deflating. And then you post other recipes and you're like, I wasn't even, I was considering not posting this at all, but let me just put it out there. And that's the one that gets views. So you never really know what the audience is going to like. So just post your content, and YouTube will surprise you with what's loved and what's not loved very much. So yeah, that is my growth on YouTube. Oh, again, it's not very huge. I cannot say anything about monetization because I'm not monetized, but I'm just happy to see this growth. And I know that as I resume work in August, in late August, I'm probably going to slow down in posting this content, but I'm free right now, and that's why I have so much time to post content on YouTube. So it's been really fun. I've been posting all summer, and I hope that I'll still be able to post even as I go back to work. If I'm not able to, then I'll try to post occasionally. So I also do have a blog. Actually, it is the blog that led to YouTube. So my initial idea was to have a blog where I post recipes, and one day I'll share, my reasons why I started this blog. But I just wanted to, let you know that um, uh, diverse dishes and lifestyle started as a blog, and then I realized, well, as a food blogger, I need to shoot videos so that my audience can actually visualize the dishes. And so I started shooting those videos, and then YouTube became more fun than the blog. And so I kind of started shooting more videos and putting them on YouTube. But as you look at this blog, so I do have breakfast dishes, vegetarian dishes, meats, and then lifestyle, because it's diverse dishes and lifestyle. So I post here recipes of all kind, mostly of course East African dishes. Like this article here talks about 15 must try Kenyan dishes for any visitor. And then I just recently posted a recipe on daga. Yeah, that's very East African, or omena. And then you can, I do have many recipes on my blog as well. Some of them, of course, the videos from YouTube are linked onto them here on the blog, some of them not yet. But if you go to my recipe index, you will see all of my recipes there. My blog just recently got approved for AdSense, so you will find ads running through it. Yeah, so I'm kind of going back and forth from the blog and YouTube. And then I also have a Facebook page which I want to show you. Let me see if I can record that. Yeah, so this is Diverse Dishes and Lifestyle Facebook page. So this is where I usually post content from both YouTube and the blog to kind of promote it. And it does help because I get, you know, a lot of views from, so views go from, back and forth. Like I would get YouTube people going to the blog, or Facebook people going to the blog, and the blog leading people to YouTube, things like that. So again, if you are doing something like I'm doing, blogging or YouTubing for food, you can also, have such platforms. But it all depends on how much time you have on your hands. Otherwise, it's not easy to manage all of them. So, just do what you can best. So this is my samosa recipe. So you see, I do have it. I do post some videos on YouTube. I do also, post videos directly on Facebook, but I also do link my YouTube videos on Facebook as well, so that whoever, you do what you like to do. Like, do you want to watch it on YouTube or on Facebook? Yeah, so those are all the, I guess I cannot really call them tips because they were not organized, but that is my experience in this fun thing that I'm doing of blogging for food and also posting YouTube videos. Um, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. And heading back to my YouTube channel, once again, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers for trusting in my channel. Enjoy the recipes, ask all the questions you have in the comment section, and let's keep connecting. And if you're new here and you're seeing this channel for the first time, please go ahead and scroll through my recipes. I'm sure you'll find something you love. And I'll keep posting more awesome videos, more awesome recipes. But for now, that's all I wanted to share. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video. Bye bye.